Okay, the next earthquake period, watch period, will be it will start on the 16th of May, and this is when Earth will start to pass between the Sun and Saturn, and it will make conjunction. It will line up on the 3rd of June. That's from the 27th to the 3rd of June. It will make its line up, its conjunction. And then on the 23rd of June, the Earth is then clear, and that will bring an end to the earthquake watch period. This is a longer earthquake watch period, and the earthquakes are more extreme, and the number will be higher because this Saturn is one of the biggest, well, the biggest celestial body which impacts the Earth the most in transfer of energy to deliver earthquakes on the Earth. And so we're on the 14th right now, and as you'll see that the Earth starts to pass, and you also see Mercury there, that's passing. So all this within the electromagnetic fields could it actually intensify it further. We're on the 28th of May. First of June, 2nd of June, 3rd of June. So that is when it's in alignment. Earth, Saturn, Earth, and the Sun in conjunction on the 3rd of May, and then it carries on moving out. And then passes out, and the earthquake period watch finishes around 23rd of June. Now, Saturn, like I mentioned, was one of the biggest deliverers of energy to the Earth, which causes the greatest amount and the greatest severity. Here you might be able to see this it only starts in July 2014, but during April Saturn delivered a number of up to 22, 23. As you can see, it's falling down. That's Saturn on the other side of the Sun, which is quite interesting. And here again we see Saturn pings Earth as the Earth passes between Saturn and the Sun in this May period, and delivers numbers up to 20, 22, 23. So you can see clearly that Saturn is a big deliverer when it comes to earthquakes, delivering numbers of up to 22 to 23. We could call that a strong 23. We have Mercury came in and also lines up, so it could be a lot of energy happening on that time. So we'll give it a generous number of 24. So its conjunction was the 3rd of June. 3rd of June. 3rd of June. But obviously you can see now, here we have Mercury, which is there in May, delivering that one there. But we've got to enter anyway, so we've got to put in You say generous 23, wasn't it? So 23, boom, and then you can see it shoots up. And the period started on the 16th of May. So if it started on the 16th of May, that means the number would be a lot higher. 16th of May, between that, so you're looking at about a 3. So this number will be actually higher. You're probably going to be looking at a number of around 9 during the period. And the period finished on the 23rd of June. We don't really 23rd. So it's half and half really, isn't it? Tell you what, I'm going to add a new date. I'm going to add a new date to this graph. It should work itself out. 16, and then we'll put that as our drop down minimum, back down to 5, let's say, and we can guesstimate that 5 and 23, it's going to be somewhere in the middle, so 13, like that, and that would be Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, big old Saturn. So there you have Saturn, Earth, as Earth passes between Saturn, when Earth passes between Saturn and the Sun, you'll get that conjunction, which should push the total number up to around about 23, 20 odd mark. So I can put that in there, and that's that one done. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.